Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V5, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen that is already open and visible on the screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is right now visible on your screen. Once it is, you can press the power button and the volume down at the same time, like this. So that's one way you can capture a screenshot, and it also gives you the couple options that you can swipe up to share, swipe down to scroll, and this kind of animation will only show once, and from now on it's gonna look like this and then disappear after a moment. So that's one way you can capture a screenshot. The other one would be using a 3-finger swipe down. Normally when you capture a screenshot, I believe it shows you that information, but I think I already captured it, so it doesn't just because of that. So showing it off, 3-finger swipe down, here's our screenshot. Now there could be also other ones, let's see. Nope. Okay, so there's just a 3-finger swipe down and nothing else. So now we can navigate to our gallery application, and in gallery you'll find a screenshot album. Now for some reason, and I know why, because I kind of messed that up, this kind of gestures captures these screenshots in here, I believe, right? Yep, you can see them right here. I by mistake created a favorite space, but if you don't do that, they should be saved right here into the screenshot album, just like the button screenshot got saved here. And you can see it right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.